We're going to begin working on finishing up our chapter on addition today in math. I'm going to review the things we've learned with you and walk you through this work page, page 281 and 282. Then you're going to start your math test. I'm going to be with you every step of the way, but I won't be writing in the answers. So let's take the first few minutes to review the things you've learned about addition so far. If you haven't done so already, please take out your daily packet and turn to your math page. It looks just like this. It has a yellow stripe on the side with stars. You should see seashells and volleyballs towards the top of your page. At the bottom, you should see the numbers 281. Please write your name and number at the top of your page. Pause the video until you're ready to start. We're going to get started on number 1. One lesson we learned in this chapter was the pattern of counting on by 1. Here we have 7 seashells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I want to add on one more, how many will I have in all? Go ahead and draw on one more seashell, or just a circle will do fine as well. Let's count and see how many there are in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 seashells in all. Please write an 8 on the handwriting line. Trace over the addition sign and the equal sign as well. Adding on by 1 is the same thing as counting on one more. For example, if we say the number 7, what's the number that comes after 7? That's right, it's 8. Adding one more is the same thing as counting on by 1. Put your finger on number 2. We're going to write an addition sentence to show what would happen if we combined this group of volleyballs with this group of volleyballs. Let's get started by writing how many volleyballs are in each group. How many do you see in the first group? There are 4 volleyballs in the first group. Please write a 4 on the handwriting line and trace over the addition sign. How many volleyballs do you see in the second group? There are 6 volleyballs in the second group. Please write a 6 on the handwriting lines. Trace over the equal sign. We're now going to add 4 and 6 together to see how many there are in all. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Please write a 10 on the handwriting line. Another way we could have counted them is by counting on. To count on, we say the number we have in our first group, 4, and we count on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put your finger on number 3. We learned yesterday how to see how many different ways we could make the number 10. We're going to use our red crayon and our blue crayon to complete this. I have a hard time coloring on my computer, so I'll have to just show you where to stop. We're going to split up this cube train that has 10 cubes into red cubes and blue cubes to make up 10 total. We learned yesterday lots of different ways of making a 10. Can you remember any of them? We're going to do one together. Let's start off with 3 red cubes. Color 3 cubes red and write a 3 on the handwriting line. Then trace over the addition sign. Now we need to color the rest blue. Let's count and see how many we're going to color blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cubes are going to be blue. Go ahead and color those cubes blue. Write a 7 on the handwriting line and trace the equal sign. 3 plus 7 equals 10. We learned a few other ways to make a 10. We learned that 5 and 5 is 10, 6 and 4 is 10, 2 and 8 is 10, 9 and 1 is 10, and we also learned that 10 and 0 is 10. There are lots of ways to make the number 10. We're going to skip number 1 and 2, so you with your black crayon can put a big black X over numbers 1 and 2. We're going to finish with number 3. I see some boogie boards. Can you count how many are in the first group and write the number on this handwriting line? Did you find 7 boogie boards? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 boogie boards in the first group. Let's add on the 2 more boogie boards. How much is 7 and 2 in all? Let's count. Let's use the method of counting on. We say the number in the first group, and then we count on. 7, 8, 9. There are 9 boogie boards in this total group.